Hi guys, Rob from Iceboxauto here today. It's going to show you today's install, or one of them anyway. It's gone into Volkswagen Polo. This is our 9-inch screen one, which comes with the frame included in the package. So just to show you where the frame starts, so this part here, it goes up to the air vent, comes all around here, goes up to there, and then goes around the screen here. And the screen itself, it's all basically comes in one package. Now these screens comes in different styles. You've got like style 1, 2 and 3 on the website. Is a 9-inch screen. Style 1 tends to be a 4-core processor, and style 2 and 3 comes with an 8-core processor. Now if you're not too sure what they do, it's all processors all about the speed of the system and also how the system interacts, because obviously there's a lot of applications today. They do require a lot of power and storage on the system, so we always do advise an 8-core one. It just basically optimizes the system long term. If you're on a budget, fair enough, 4-core should be fine for you. Now this is the home page. This is style 3, so obviously check the sales page from the link that we'll put in the description, and this is style 3. It's got a nice new interface on there. This is my favourite, to be honest with you, out of all of them. This option here, it's on the home page. You can customise these and move them around and add your favourites to the bottom here if you wish. Another good thing is that a lot of systems on the market, they've always catered for your mass market, which is your left-hand drive cars, which is always to do with kph. They tend not to have miles per hour. It's quite rare. So this is the nice new feature here that's got miles per hour. You can simply change it. Let's have a little look. Change it to kmph there, or kmh, or back to miles. So that's a good little feature with this system, which is obviously pretty new to market now that it has the miles per hour. So we are catering for the UK market as well as Cyprus and stuff like that. So okay, so basically I'll just give you a little quick summary of what you've got on the system. Excuse me vocabulary there. This one here is obviously a little Google Maps in the top right hand corner. This one's a little shortcut for any music. So these applications here for music and video play. You can play music and films from a USB pen. So if you're on a long drive with the kids and stuff like that, you can put all your favourite movies on a pen drive. You can do stuff like Netflix and YouTube and all that if you wish, but obviously them applications will take care of that. Comes with 2 USB cables, comes with a SIM card holder, so it will take a 4G SIM card to give it an internet connection. Alternatively, you can connect your phone's hotspot to it, and also obviously it has got built-in Wi-Fi. If you just do that there, so there's the Wi-Fi menu there, that'll pick up any hubs in the area. There's your radio here. This car hasn't got steering wheel control today, so I can't show you that. It does have a steering wheel control menu on the app there, which basically you can set it up. Your car does that, but just contact us for more details on that one. Let's have a look. There's your Bluetooth app there here, so obviously you can stream your music through it. If you've got music on your phone too, you can do that too. You notice the system's quite quick and responsive. We tend not to deal with systems full of lag. If they do, they get basically taken down from the website. But a lot of people ask about lag. You tend to get lag with the low processors and hardly any RAM, but we tend to stay away from that. You can go and get a £100 unit from eBay if you want, but just be mindful that's going to compromise quality, and you're going to probably have quite a lot of issues with it. Okay. File manager, so if you know, you know. If you don't, it just shows you the back-end memory settings and what the apps are on there. You can put third-party applications on there, so if you're an IPTV lover from home, you can get the downloaded app from a website and put it onto your USB pen and download it upload it onto this system here. Gallery, again, no one's ever asked about that over the years. We're doing this just for pictures and stuff. Video play, same as the music off your pen drive. This one here is your CarPlay and your Android Auto app. So today I've got an Apple phone, so if we just do that, it shows you the CarPlay. That's going to probably boot up in a moment. Just let it connect. So here's your CarPlay. So this will bring out over applications from your phone. It can't do anything like Netflix or any movie streaming from your phone, because CarPlay just doesn't, Android Auto just doesn't have the software for that. So as you can see, brings over me like Google Maps, TalkSport, DAB Radio, WhatsApp, some messaging apps and stuff like that. A good thing is with this is that you can verbally communicate through it with the likes of Siri or Google Assist if you've got an Android phone. So if you're driving and you want to keep your concentration on the road and your hands on the steering wheel, you can just simply say, "Hey Siri." There you go. So basically I can tell it to give me a call anyway, or call someone up. Okay, go back to the Android side. So this is all your applications into an application center. A lot of them are on the home page, but obviously this is where if you download any application from the Play Store, third party upload them, they would go into here. As you can see, I've got a couple of browser apps there with Google and Chrome. There's your Google Maps there. This is your DSP sound processor. So obviously if you're into your sound outputs and speakers and subs and stuff like that, this is a good little app to basically play around with. But as I say, it's a bit complicated for me, so I won't go too much detail on that one. Okay, so it's got an e-guide, which is operation guide, which is all on there anyway, so you can it tells you how to use the system. There's your Play Store here, so obviously if you're familiar with Play Store, that's where you get your applications from. Don't be scared if you've got an Apple phone. It doesn't mean you can't use it. It just means Android's just where is the OS where you download apps to. So as opposed to going on the Apple App Store, should I say, you go on the Google Play Store. Apple phones work totally fine with it. As you've seen with the CarPlay, you can play your Bluetooth on it, music streaming, Wi-Fi tethering. Okay, let's go back. Let's have a little look. Just notice the screen's quite quick and responsive. Guys, it's a lot of people always think that these systems tend to be full of lag. That they're not. It's just basically you pay for what you get. If you're going to go onto eBay and pay £100 for one there, then you're going to basically get a low quality one with the internals being really poor. You get a 2-year warranty with our products, which basically, if there's any bite off them, then it comes back to bite us on the bum. So that's why we stay away from all the cheap alternatives. People want to spend £100 and think they're getting the same unit. You're not. It's all about what's inside it and behind the screen. Us being a UK company, giving our own warranty, if you come back to us with a faulty product, we lose money. So this is why we stay away from all the cheaper alternatives, and we'll only bring quality to market and to yourself. A lot of the China factories, they don't really care about your sort of thing. So once they send you a product, and if you have any issues with it, and if it's a £100 product, you might end up spending £110 to send it back. So if they do lie and you should throw it in the bin. We're not like that. We send you return labels out. If there's any issues with it, we get things done swiftly. It is quite rare, but it can happen. But as I said, we tend to do our best to stay away from all the rubbish on the market, and we pay a little bit more for our products and we know the sources are always reliable. So don't worry about quality. If you've got any issues, just basically check our feedbacks on Trustpilot and stuff like that. Okay, vehicle settings. Shows you some camber support from the vehicle here. So as you can see there, seat belts and trunks and outside temperature, engine speed and stuff like that. So that's another little feature if you want to have a little play around. Steering wheel control menu there. This car hasn't got it today, but that's where you set up your steering wheel controls. But sometimes you might need a canvas box. So just get in touch with us if you've got steering wheel controls in your car on this particular system. And as you go, there's your YouTube app there. Now, this is the Android side, which is totally separate to Android Auto and CarPlay. So a little tip is, if you're going to be using the CarPlay and Android Auto app, and you're going to be using this side of things, then get yourself a SIM card. Only reason being is that the Wi-Fi and the CarPlay works off a Bluetooth Wi-Fi connection. This Android works off a hotspot connection. Unless you get a SIM card, and your phone can't do hotspot and Wi-Fi at the same time. I'll bring you another video to show you that soon, because I say we get a lot of people asking questions about that, so we'll show you a new video on that anyway. So hope you like the video today, guys. I'll bring it to an end. Have you got any questions? Get in touch with us. We'll put the link to this product down below in the description, all our contact details. Feel free to throw a comment onto our thread, onto this video here, and we'll get back to you shortly, or give us a call on the number down below. Okay, have a nice day, guys. See you soon. Take care.